In this video, we will show you how to become local guide on Google. To become local guides on Google, you need to open maps.google.com/local guides. The local guides only works where the Google Map is available. For the Google Maps available on more than 40 countries. And in here, to starting become local guide on Google, you can click start on the maps.google.com/local guide. Just click start here. In here, you need to select or login using your Google account. I will login using my account. In here, you need to select your countries. For example, for this tutorial, we will select our countries. For example, we select Mumbai in India, and we can click I agree to the program rules and click I agree to receive updates about my impact on Google Maps and the local guides programs. And you can starting become a local guide here. In here, you can start contributing. After you become local guides on Google, whenever you go into some place on your city, in Mumbai for example, and you can open your Google Maps application on your smartphone, and in here, for example, you already visit computer study in Mumbai, India, and you have also the pictures about this place. You can just scroll down on your Google Maps application, you can see there, and you can just read and review here, and you can add any photo. This is just for example, and you must post the photo with real place. If don't, Google may reject your reviews in here. Okay, this is the description about posting publicity. Just click this and click post in here. This is just for example, and in here you can click contribute more. Okay, click contribute more, and you can add photo or video. And when you click your profiles, okay, there is point because you already become local guides. Okay, you can click more stats to see your status about local guides. And that's all tutorial how to become local guides on Google. Hope this video helpful for you.